Susie, it's been a month since we last saw you, so what's been happening in the rental market in that time?
Lisa, I think things are starting to move, which is a really good sign for us. We're certainly getting more people at our open inspections. About a month ago it was a lot colder, and so people were not so interested in coming to inspect properties. We're seeing in excess of 20-30 groups through at most opens, certainly in the lower demographics.
So what are these demographics that you're talking about then?
Predominantly that sort of low end, sort of $300 to $400 a week, seems to be very strong at the moment. Anything that's in the executive market, when I say executive I'm talking sort of $500 a week plus, is a little bit slower. Lynn Shea from Adelaide Relocations has indicated to us that the relocation market is certainly a bit tight. It's certainly slow for her.
So which suburbs are quite popular for rental properties at the moment?
Surprisingly, the coast. We were anticipating a sort of a boom of interest in the coastal suburbs sort of towards Christmas, but actual fact the coastal areas are sort of showing strong influence since this weather's improved with the spring.
And any other areas which are going quite strong?
Eastern suburbs, we certainly get a lot of calls and inquiry on the eastern suburbs. Anything that's sort of close to the city, close to good schools, public transport, we tend to get a lot of inquiry on.
So with all this information, is there any advice that you want to leave with investors?
I think for investors, I think if they've got properties that are vacant at the moment, they need to start getting them maintained and up to date, ready for the rental market. We've certainly got demand for property, so we'd love to speak with them.
And tips for renters? It's
very much game on for them. As we start going into our spring, summer months, there's going to be more demand for rental properties. There will be more supply, but there will be definitely more demand. So certainly get out there, get active and apply for these properties as soon as possible.